Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So we know that Tristan Thompson and Khloe Kardashian relationship, it has been really rocky. But irrespective of that, Khloe has opened her home to Tristan, and not just Tristan, also his brother Amari, following their mom Andrea passing. And it was just about 2 weeks ago that we learned Tristan Thompson had filed for legal guardianship of Amari so that Tristan, could protect Amari's estate. Well, now it's been reported that Tristan has been granted temporary guardianship over his little brother after he was left unable to care for himself following the sudden death of his mom, Andrea. Now, according to a court hearing Wednesday, determined by the NBA player, will now act as a guardian to 17-year-old Amari. In the end, Tristan's petition for temporary guardianship was granted, and a hearing on permanent guardianship is scheduled for November of this year. Now, it is said that Tristan Thompson was present in court during the hearing, but his attorney spoke on his behalf via Zoom. Now, if you guys remember, it was just about 2 weeks ago that we said Tristan was gonna, file for legal guardianship of his brother, which he did. Now, his other brother did not contest it, so it seems as though things might be in the clear for Tristan for him to get permanent guardianship come November. But this is leaving the question of, is Tristan and Khloe planning to get married? Because oftentimes, if you're going to get married, right, you want to ensure that all the members of your household are protected. Because if Tristan gets guardianship of Amari and he gets married to Khloe, it means that that guardianship is also transferred to Khloe in case anything should happen to Tristan Thompson. Now, I don't know if the other brother is going to contest this November. And honestly, from my observation, I don't think he's going to do so, right? I believe that initially, as he tweeted, as I've said to you guys, it was just all for clout and attention, because if he truly cared, he would have a discussion with his brother and he would insist on keeping his brother Amari. We know that, someone with special needs can be a bit of a challenge to take care of. Takes a lot of patience and also money. Now, many people believe that Tristan is applying for guardianship for Amari's money, which is about less than $170K. But if you really think about it, it's not a lot of money. That's a small amount of money for someone with special needs. And after a while, it's gonna run out. But I believe that Tristan wants to have that money set aside for his brother. Should in case something happens to him, Tristan, he has something set up for his brother and his kids. Because the other brother, as I've been saying to you guys, is just always coming off like a clout chaser. But this also leaves the question of Tristan, being so active in his brother's life. I understand that his brother has special needs, but Tristan also needs to be displaying this, guardianship, this parental, model in his kid's life. Because we've been hearing of Jordan filing for, that child support payment, Marilee. So Tristan should have been doing this also with his kids. And it's given the sense that Tristan is truly selfish, because we're not seeing him taking on this role when it comes to his kids. It is always, the baby mamas taking him to court. But I do hope that Tristan wakes up and just be a man to his kids, not only to his brother Amari, right? But I understand that, Miss Andrea is not alive. So when it comes to Amari, his concerns and fears are going to be more sensitive to him, Tristan. And there's absolutely nothing wrong with that. We would just love to see him being just as active when it comes to his boys. But I want to hear from you all. Let me know, what are your thoughts about Tristan being granted temporary guardianship of his brother Amari? While you're at it, give this video a big thumbs up, share if you care, and see you all later. Peace.